Today we're going to do a little study, somewhat in reference to this site called Xeggex, where you can trade your currency, and you don't have to have your KYC, which is Know Your Customer policy, but it does have options to do that on a voluntary basis. But right now it says up here at the top, you do not have a two-factor security set up. You cannot trade, deposit, or withdraw until this is enabled. If that's all there is to it, then we'll just go ahead and do it and then deposit our cryptos where we're going to trade and then go from there. Well, I'll just set this thing up with my username, email, and my password. This is what I've got so far. Then we're going to go to the KYC and see how far I can go before I can deposit or trade or withdrawal or anything like that. This next page gives you a QR code which you can hook to your device, your authenticator on your device, and will give you a 2FA code. And it says print this page or write down a 2FA key and save it in a very safe location. If you lose your two-factor device, then you can rescan the QR code or enter the key on a new device. Do not save it to your email or other secure place. Do not share the QR code in secret with anyone. So what you do is you scan this on your device, and it should give you a 6-digit PIN from the device. That way you can enable this, and that way when you log into your account, you can also, it'll ask for your 2FA, and you put your number in there, and it should go down to the next one. We're gonna do this next step. Okay, we scanned the code with our device. Now we're going to put our 6-digit number in there. I got to put it over here. Okay, now the number. Pretty much, and it says buying phone number. We're not going to do that. Pay trade fees and XPE, you can do that. Go in and out, it's like a 20%. I read the fees and stuff. So it says when you enable pay trade fees and expense EXP, your account will be first deducted in original fee asset. After trade, a new fee is calculated using the current USD market values of the fee asset. If you have enough XPE balance in your account, the original paid trade fee will be returned to your account, and your account will be deducted the new fee in the XP with a 25% discount. So it's a pretty good idea if you're going to trade a lot in this thing, is go ahead and get you some EXP, buy some of it, put it in there, and you get your little discount. It won't trade very much. I mean, it won't cost that much. So we're going to do it here a little bit later on, and I'm going to test it, and I'll show you about what it's at. Because we're going to trade some Caspa into another coin. I haven't decided yet which one I want to go into, and then withdraw that coin into my hard ledger, my hard crypto wallet. That we get off exchanges and stuff like that. That way, you have it secured. So I'll get back with you when get that done. If you would like just to go in here without moving any currency around anything, just go through this menu here on the left and check out and get yourself familiarized with the site and everything before you do anything serious with it. That's the only thing we need so far is just like our login information and enable 2FA. So it opens up the thing where I can have access to withdrawing, depositing, trading, whatever. But you go down here, you can look at your wallet. I don't have anything in my wallet, but it gives you a list of different things. It's all available. It's all zero. This is all the coins here. Most of them, A through Z. There's probably tons of them here. There's like 20 plus pages. So you can go through those, familiarize yourself with that. And it'll show you if you buy anything, sell anything, it shows you what's available, what's pending, and the number of open orders, the value, and so forth. And you get an action over here, you can deposit coins into it, which if you're going to convert, you do that. Then you would trade, swap out from one coin to another, and then you can withdraw it. And you'll have to put your withdrawal address on there. Okay, P2P dashboard. Not for sure what all this is, but sure somebody will know. NFTs, I don't mess with NFTs, the non-fungible tokens, non-fungible tokens. Don't do anything with that. And it says, of course, account settings here, which has my stuff on it. Withdrawal addresses, don't have nothing there. History, most of the stuff you won't have because you're just starting out. Until you start having some activity in here, then it'll populate off of that. History, transaction, payout, trade history, such and on. Your liquidity here is kind of neat. I was looking at it. There's nothing there. Okay, it's okay. There, right. But you go up here at the top, it shows markets. Your markets, your favorites, and you got the little tabs here for different ones: spot markets, cryptos, liquidity pools, new listings, so forth. And then right here it shows you Bitcoin versus USDT, United States digital tokens. Gives you a price on it, the change, and so forth. Just like any other platform that does all the trades and gets the prices and changes and stuff like that. Go down here and look at all these prices here. And you can divide it into USDT, market only, all the coins versus USDT. Swap out, you can go with BTC, Dogecoin, BNB, Litecoin, and so forth across the board here. It has a tab for delisting, new listings, liquidity pools, which look at that one. What I'll be doing is Caspa. Eventually I'll be doing Caspa to Bitcoin, but that's quite a bit right there. That's how much Caspa. Actually, not for sure how. Anyway, we're learning here. It's a little journey. Oh yeah, it's Caspa and BTC, Bitcoin. This here is Caspa in USDT, which is 11 cents, 364.76 Satoshi. So tenths of a cent, hundredths of a cent, so it's down. Also DOI, Scalia, USD, and Chlor, and so forth. All the way down, a whole bunch of them. So you can just peruse through these. And then we'll go over here to faucets, which is a neat thing. A little notice up here at the top. Create multiple accounts will disqualify you from the faucet system. It allows registered users to get cryptocurrency for free. I wonder like the airdrops they use. But this is just people that puts it out there. You really don't get much. I mean, look at this 0.001 off Dogecoin. Safe Mine coin. Well, it's just very little, just like one tab. Don't you like get 100 of these people that's offering free coins to other people? Just claim it. And when you click on it, like a Dogecoin, click on it. And deposit's active, withdrawal's active. So if you want to claim it. So forth. Just play around with it, get familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already, and from there. So we'll go when I start doing a little bit of trading, swapping and stuff. I'll show you that too. Okay, I was reading here, and the expense coin, which used to facilitate the fees on this platform to use as let's say like a swapping certain coins or you buy and sell whatever, they charge a fee. This one here, they use a common fee expense, which is represents the exchange token for the exit platform, serving as a native cryptocurrency for the exit exchange. It's embedded within a larger landscape of blockchain and digital asset trading. Its primary utility is to facilitate user interactions on the exit exchange. This extends beyond mere transactions. the XP holders enjoy benefits and enhance their trading experiences. Overarching aim is to provide a seamless, secure, and efficient trading environment. So, read through this, and it's just to facilitate the trade fees and other things if you want to use it. It's more functions, but that's primarily what I'll be using it for. Instead of using my Caspa or Bitcoin or whatever, I can use XP, just buy a little bit of it and use it as a fee currency to do swapping and transaction everything on his site. So, plus you get a discount. You got a 25% discount here on the trade fees. So by you holding the XP in their accounts, that's a good deal. If you want to save money, not have expensive fees on it, and wear down or value whatever your core holdings, use it. Use XP. Sounds simple enough. So yeah. Other thing here is this components, which I like here. Look under this project components here. It says the platform is a full-service cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade a plethora of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, with a pronounced emphasis on ultra-low fees and fast processing. The platform addresses common pain points in the crypto trading sphere. The token, operating on a Binance Smart Chain as a BEP20 token, XPE is pivotal in facilitating fee payments on the Xeggex platform. Token holders can harness EXP for various functions, from reducing trading fees to covering costs associated with NFT listings. That's a really good key point on this site. So I'm finding it's be a good in between from coins that you mine to coins that you want to keep, and for the long haul, this would be a good, called an interim or a place to trade off different things, kind of like yeah, something like that. So this is pretty good. It's got a lot of features in it. By holding EXP in their account, traders can avail a 25% reduction on their trade fees. Utility beyond fee reduction serves several utilities like promoting assets, creating liquidity pools, and paying a P2P, peer-to-peer, and NFT market fees. On security, the Xeggex platform is fortified with comprehensive security measures, including cold storage, two-factor authentication, encrypted wallets, and more, ensuring the safety of the users and their assets. It's operating on robust servers. Xeggex promises rapid deposits, withdrawals, and trades, accompanied by comprehensive DDoS mitigation, but unwavering uptime stability. Here's another kicker right here, another good one. No KYC limitations. That's good if you want to keep your stuff, all your trades and stuff, secret from the, Big Brother or whatever. It's pretty good right here. For daily withdrawals under 5,000, users aren't necessitated to undergo KYC verification. Well, that's a good point too. Continuous support team is accessible all year round, showcasing their dedication to user satisfaction. XPE is also hosted on a Binance Smart Chain. Total mint of 200 million tokens. Distribution is meticulously planned, from initial airdrops to future allocations for team vesting. You got liquidity pools, bug bounties, and more. So, you guys look for something like this, it'd be a good place. Like I said, I'm just started here, so we're going to take this to the full limit and see if this be our prominent place here to do all of our swaps and stuff. Hi guys, today's video we're going to be putting a fan on our KSO miner, asic miner. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we've got the screws here. We're going to put in there. Take all the little tabs and we put the four on the bottom, so the four on the top when it'll work, it'll just right through it. So we put the four on the bottom, tab like this, here, and then we'll put the screws into the top, the bottom, and fasten on top. That'll be insulation. So, make sure this goes on here. Screws in here. Get right the first one done. First one lined out, then we can line up the rest of them. the hole down. The other one. Here. Come a little down. I'm going to put a pinch and reading of it so we just knock them down about evenly. Alright, getting tight. Alright. Crap. Put the top fan on. Guard on this thing. Okay. Okay guys, got the fan mounted here on top. The plugs here with a controller on it. Plug it back in. And with this part here, fan will be pulling out this way. So we'll plug in this here, this port. That. This fan controller here. You know, like off, low, medium, and high. Okay, we're all set. Get that done. And I have another one over here that's operating my KS Pro. Will show it running the fan. switch over here. This one here is running. See? The light's go on. And that'll be the end of this one. Thanks for watching.